Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the mesh and language assets. Load the 3D file into your editor and confirm geometry, UVs, and texture links. Once done, import translation strings and choose the target locale codes so you can map labels and metadata. Make sure to install or enable fonts that support characters. This step prevents downstream errors and speeds conversion. Now run a quick export test to confirm the mesh exports cleanly with embedded texture paths before moving to language injection. Next, you inject the translated content into the mesh pipeline. First, map text ID in the mesh metadata to your translation keys so labels and annotations update automatically. Then replace or overlay textures with localized artwork or use signed distance field fonts for scalable text on surfaces. Keep UV layout unchanged. Make sure file encodings are UTF-8 to avoid garbled characters. Finally, preview the model in your renderer to verify line breaks, kerning, and right-to-left layout where applicable. Finish by exporting the localized mesh in the target format, for example GLTF or your engine's asset bundle. You should run tests on each target platform, check rendering, click targets, and text legibility at typical distances. If text is missing, verify font fallback and glyph coverage. If textures bleed, revisit UV padding. If characters are garbled, reconfirm UTF-8 encoding. A key troubleshooting tip: swap in a known good SDF font to isolate whether the problem is font coverage versus pipeline encoding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.